Do you know that many people are having trouble charging their Zoom H1 audio recorder? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate battery compartment. Find the battery compartment at the back of your Zoom H1 audio recorder. Step 2. Open battery compartment. Open the battery compartment by sliding its cover in the indicated direction. Step 3. Insert AA battery. Insert a single AA battery into the compartment and be sure you've aligned the terminals right. Step 4. Connect USB cable. Via the provided USB cable, connect your recorder to any USB power source. Step 5. Start charging battery. The battery initiates charging automatically once connected. Leave the recorder turned on or off. It will charge either way. Step 6. Wait for full charge. Wait till the battery is fully charged before you unplug the USB cable. By following these steps, you will be able to charge your Zoom H1 audio recorder efficiently and maximize its battery life. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Zoom users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.